Do you know that sitting posture can affect the ability to learn and focus? Hong Kong students sit for more than 8 hours a day, often slouching or hunched. But here's the question: how does posture affect learning? Posture is the way in which we sit, stand, or move. Today, we are looking at how posture will affect attention, especially for Hong Kong students. We find that students who sit up straight will focus better than those who slouch or put their heads in their arms. Think back to when we were kids.
坐姿
So, it makes sense that sitting tall could help us concentrate and do better on tasks, right?
To investigate how sitting and standing affect concentration, we did a careful experiment in a classroom. Let's walk through the steps.
15 first-year participants were put into 3 groups, sitting up straight, slouching, and head down on desks. Having signed the consent form, all groups listened to the same news report. They answered for general questions and for detailed questions immediately afterwards. Answers were marked on correctness, not on precise wording.
With data collected, we went on to look at how posture affected our performance. Let's dive into the results. The sitting straight group reached 76% accuracy on all 8 questions, followed by the slouching group with 66%, and the head-down group with 58%. The sitting straight group did well in both detailed and general questions, scoring 65% and 89% respectively. The slouching group scored 77% on general and 55% on detailed, performing better on broad areas but not on specifics. The head-down group scored 70% on general and only 46% on detailed, particularly weak in system features and collaborations. In short, posture obviously had an effect on performance, with straight-sitting individuals constantly doing better, particularly on more nuanced questions.
This is what the experimental data said, but what is the actual situation? Let's see what our participants said.
What's your favorite posture when you are taking the class?
I always let myself on the desk like this, and then watching the teacher the whole class.
I always write on my computer, so I'm never like laying down or something. I'm always like sitting straight, so I can type on the computer.
So whenever I am in class, I tend to just cross my legs, and I think I always try to be like to have like my back straight.
Do you think posture influences your performance in class?
When I lie on the desk, I'm feeling comfortable and sleeping, and I concentrate on the class.
When I sit more straight, then I'm probably more encouraged to like speak up or be more brave or more active in the class.
If you're like basically lying down on the chair, I think, I don't know, I don't have like the evidence, but I mean probably you will do like worse in this subject, or I don't know.
Good posture promotes focus by enhancing blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain. This is because when you sit upright, the chest expands so that you can take deeper breaths and breathe in more oxygen. The oxygen-rich blood goes to the prefrontal cortex, which is the area of the brain for attention and decision-making. It is like upgrading your brain from a bicycle to a sports car. By enhancing circulation and minimizing physical tension, good posture makes it easier for us to concentrate and think quickly. In contrast, bad posture exerts more pressure on the spine, increasing fatigue and distraction caused by discomfort. A study indicates that in the slouched position, most participants experienced a reduction in peripheral awareness and breathed more shallowly, demonstrating how a bad posture decreases oxygen intake and alertness. Previous studies have shown similar results. One study focuses on the effect of different postures on math test performance and finds that students, particularly those anxious about math, performed better when sitting upright. Our experiment complements these findings and maintains the importance of posture for concentration.
So, what does this all mean? Our hypothesis was straightforward. We believed that sitting up straight would lead to better focus and performance, and the results speak for themselves. Students who sat up straight did better on both general and specific questions, showing that good posture actually affects thought. Small changes in how we sit or stand can make an enormous difference to our mental performance. So, what's the lesson? Your posture is a brain booster. Whether you are studying, working, or simply scrolling through your phone, proper posture can make an enormous difference. Besides, the benefits of good sitting postures lie beyond enhancing focus and productivity. It also helps you improve body alignment, avoid rounded shoulders, and promote a confident appearance. Next time you sit down to study, work, or game, remember, good posture is your brain's secret weapon for better performance.